Gross domestic product, or GDP, is a basic measure of national economic output. GDP is the value expressed in dollars of all final goods and services produced in an economy in a given year. In the United States, goods and services produced for household consumption account for approximately 2/3 of this total output. The economy produces what is available for consumption, investment, and government spending. Goods are things we can use, touch, and see. Services are activities people do for us. Final goods are goods and services that are sold to consumers. Intermediate goods are things that are produced and then used up in the production of other goods and services. For example, the denim produced in mills is used up in the production of jeans. Denim is an intermediate good, and the jeans are a final good. This was the current dollar value of all the final goods and services produced in the U.S. in 2012, $15+ trillion worth. We can learn more about GDP figures by looking at GDP data collected by the Department of Commerce. Spending by households is called consumption or consumer spending. Because the products provide direct satisfaction to consumers, when we measure GDP, consumer spending represents the largest category. Spending for consumer goods and services makes up approximately 2/3 of all spending. Durables in the GDP refers to a consumer good that will last longer than 3 years. Please take 10 seconds to write down 3 consumer goods that would last longer than 3 years. Non-durables are consumer goods expected to last less than 3 years. Services are activities people do for us.